Hey guys, it's Kyle with Aero Equipment here. Just gonna show you a quick walk around video of a new Ram 5500 SLT truck we just set up with a mill run 11-foot aluminum crane box. We got it set up with a Cobra 4400 crane as well as a VMACAir VR70 underhood compressor, which puts out 70 CFM. And then we have a 35-gallon air receiver tank up top, and your main hose reel we have ran to the back box here. So you can have your air tools stored in there, nice and easy to get to. We have the crane up top on the driver's side, and then your outriggers. We have the handheld control for this guy. This is a wired, you can get it in a wireless as well. We have the heavy duty workbench bumper, which is armor guarded. So it's not gonna rust out. It's gonna stay looking nice. We have across the wheels, we have a heavy duty pull out work surface. So if you have a diesel laptop or working on a piece of equipment, you can just put it up here. And then we have some deeper drawers up top here. And then in the D2 compartment, we just got a full stack of drawers. The deepest ones at the bottom. These drawers are a 500-pound slide rating. So if you do need to use those ladder, you can hop in a box and get a little higher. The D1 compartment, we got it set up with just some shelves in there. And then we have the work lights up top. All the boxes have the Aberhard latches, roll style, so it's not the pins. So these aren't gonna get loose or rattle on you. They're gonna stay a tight seal with the compression latch, and then you can lock that up. We have the VMAC controller ran down to by the driver's seat there. And then coming around the back, we have the half-height barn doors on it, as well as a 3-piece sliding roof, the tool holder, and some chain hooks there. In the P4 compartment, we just have it set up with some shelves in there. And then over top of the wheels, we have some more heavy-duty drawers. And then the P2 box, we got some more big shelves, some open space. And then the P1 compartment, we have it set up with the oxyacetylene compartment and the bottle holders in there. And then up top, we do have the spare tire holder as well. And that's just a quick overview on this 11-foot body build.